Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start any video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, duplicate the shape, select the erase color, to back color add, select the 3D shape, the path 10, extrusion. Then select a photo, crop the photo, remove the background color, select the erase color, duplicate the shape, select the color filter, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.